Hi, it's Kay here, and today I wanted to talk about New Year's resolutions. It's December 2022, and a lot of us are starting to wind down, get ready to say goodbye to 2022 and to welcome in 2023. And for some of us, that usually means, oh, it's time to make New Year's resolutions. Now, if you're like most people, you diligently sit down at the end of the year, beginning of the new year, and you make some resolutions. And these are usually in the forms of goals of what you will do differently or what you will achieve. And we go in and we think, this time I'm going to do it. This time I'm going to make sure I stick to my resolutions. And January, February, if you like, 85% of people, by the time February comes around, most of us have not achieved and are not working towards those New Year resolutions. And that brings up the question, why? Because we know that, setting goals is a really good thing to do, and we probably have heard about SMART goals, and we do it, and we've achieved those. So what's different about New Year's resolutions? And the answer is, for many people, a New Year's resolution feels like work. It feels like it's something you have to do or that you should do. And you sit down and you think, okay, this year I'm going to make sure I'm exercising more, or that I take a walk every day, or that I eat better, or that I save money, or that I really commit to studying or to working, and the list goes on. And you sit down, you look at those, and you might even write them down. You put them up on the mirror or on the wall where you can see them, and you think, okay, I'm going to do this. But after a couple of days, your heart's just not in it anymore. And you find other things to do to take you away from those New Year resolutions. So I decided, because I was in the same boat as you, I decided a couple of years ago, no more New Year's resolutions. I looked at some of the research that basically said 85% of New Year's resolutions are out the window by about February. And I thought, nah, don't want to do it anymore. I don't want to feel that pressure. I don't want to feel that I have to do it. So instead, I decided to do something different. No more New Year's resolutions. I decided to welcome in the new year by celebrating and being grateful for what happened in the year past. And even though a lot of us are having a really hard time at the moment, 2022, 21 and 20 have not been probably the best years, but the reality is there is something good about all of those years. And for me, I think, well, I'm still here. That is absolutely something to be grateful for. And I have somewhere to live that I feel safe. So that's something else. So what are you grateful for? What could you sit down at the end of this year and say, well, I had a great year because, and list a couple of things that you're grateful for, and focus on those and focus on how it feels to have those in your life. The other thing I've decided to do is to run an online workshop next year in 2023 on having fun in 2023. So in the workshop, I'll be talking about New Year's resolutions, why we're not going to do them, and some of the things we can do differently. So if you'd like to join me in the workshop, the link is down below, and I'd love to see you there. It's absolutely free. It's happening on January the 23rd, and more details down below. So hop in, book your seat, and I'll see you then. In the meantime, be grateful, have some fun, and let's look at doing things differently. So Kay Ross here. See you soon. Bye.